Okay, so now we're on Lianhu Street, and we have kind of a nice little street where we can big sidewalks and bike lanes as well. You kind of got lots of lanes in here, so I'm gonna enjoy this nice shady street, big wide road, especially compared to over there where I was in all these narrow streets. So you might have saw some of the ones where I was just there. You have in there, little kitten. Okay, so let's explore this street. Xi'an, Xi'an, toma cuidado la boquinha. Xi'an. Oh yeah. Okay. So we have these nice wide streets of Xi'an. See, I was over there, so the last few videos you've seen, I was over there in that area, which was kind of like Muslim street food area. And there was a lot of like the bell tower was over there, the great Xi'an mosque. I think there's kind of roads of Silk Road. So it's kind of a chaotic mess of cars, bikes, and pedestrians all in one place. So it's kind of relaxing now to be on this wide street and enjoying this element of and this street is kind of something I see commonly in China, and now I understand like why they have so many of them, because it's nice. They still got like motorbikes and everybody that's on the same street at times. I think actually it's not so clear which one is the pedestrian street and which one's not, because some people are parking up here. So I think because they park up here, it gets kind of confusing. You're supposed to park over there, I think. But I kind of get the feeling that for most Chinese people, they just kind of do whatever they want. That kind of, I don't want to say lack of discipline, but lack of order, maybe. And I can see a value to that as well. I could see it when I was on the airplane, just people kind of doing whatever they want to do. So if they want to get in the luggage during takeoff, and it's kind of, I think anyways, there's a car that was parked up here. So but anyways, I'm kind of enjoying this big wide comfortable street now, and walking down Xi'an, China, giving a little bit of a taste of it as well, just to kind of give a little bit of a different taste of the city. So anyways, I got lots of Xi'an videos to share, and this is just kind of another one, and I don't think I'm going to go too long with it. I think it's fairly typical of China, and now I can see why they're so comfortable. You got all these trees as well, got lots of traffic, lots of trees, and big wide space to walk. Okay, we're still in Lianhu, and basically we're getting closer to the wall, so we're getting directly. Let me see. There's so many bikes on the road and cars on the road too. I think the car is supposed to be over there. Anyways, it is what it is. So the big wall that goes all around Xi'an, China is right over there. So we're basically coming up on it right now. So we're going to, hello. He just waved to me. He said hello. I don't know who he is, of course, but since he waved with the camera. Okay, so we'll be up there in a second. Okay, now it's kind of clear. So the green is the bike lane. So the bike lane, I guess it wasn't green before, so those cars are parking in it. Now it's really clear right there that it's the bike lane. So I guess this would be the pedestrian side. So now that's more clear. And anyways, I guess it wasn't clearly designated before. I don't know. But anyways, there's the wall of Xi'an. So I've been wanting to get up on that wall anyway, so we'll see if there's access to it here, or if I have to walk somewhere else. So yeah, this is the walled city, right? I think there's steps over there. I see steps, but it looks like you have to go through that thing. But anyways, I guess we'll be ending this particular video. And that was basically our street, was that nice leafy one. Now we're kind of at the wall that I've been wanting to get to anyways. So I'll see if I can find a way up there. And I guess we'll end it right there. So that was our street. So this street keeps on going, of course, but the walled city is that's all within the walled city, and I want to try to get up there. So I'm going to end this video right here. Looks like right there. Let me just kind of take a look and see if we can get up there from this location. I think maybe I cannot. Anyways, we'll end it right here. And that's the wall right there. So basically we came over down that street right there, and then we basically ended right here, and that's the wall. And I don't see any way to get up there, but if we could, we would. So you can see kind of all the flags up there. Everybody's staring at me when they walk by. Okay, so we're gonna try to do another video where we get up there, and then we'll come to an ending. It's kind of funny.